Ever wondered how to keep your houseplants thriving? Welcome to the world of indoor gardening, a realm where aesthetics merge with benefits like improved air quality. In this video, you will learn easy and effective ways to keep your indoor plants healthy and thriving. The first step to successful indoor gardening is understanding your plants. Houseplants come in a myriad of varieties, each with their unique needs. Some thrive in bright, indirect light, while others prefer shady corners. Temperature is another factor. Tropical plants adore warmth and humidity, while cacti enjoy cooler, dry climates. It's not a one-size-fits-all. Each plant has its own comfort zone. So, whether you're nurturing an orchid or a fern, remember that understanding their specific needs is fundamental. Knowing your plants and their specific needs is the key to keeping them happy and healthy. Now that you know your plants, let's discuss some plant care basics. Watering and feeding your green friends is crucial. Most houseplants need watering once a week and a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month. Remember, overwatering can cause root rot, so proper drainage is key. Pruning and cleaning plants also help keep them at their best. Use a soft cloth to gently remove dust from leaves and snip off any yellowing parts. Regular care and attention will ensure your plants stay healthy and continue to grow. Even with the best care, indoor plants can sometimes face problems. Common culprits include pests, diseases, and environmental stressors, such as insufficient light or too much or too little water. Understanding these problems begins with keen observation. Look out for changes in leaf color, unusual spots, or a sudden drop in vigor. Once identified, tackle these issues with appropriate measures, be it a change in watering schedule, application of organic pest control, or a simple relocation. Remember, early detection and appropriate action can save your plants from serious damage. So, there you have it, a simple guide to thriving houseplants. We've covered understanding your plants, basic care, and common problem solving. Remember, indoor gardening can be a rewarding endeavor. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.